Still sticking a little bit, so we have to still come right down here. Real easy. Excellent. Great. Little bit here. Nice. Good. Excellent. So good. Feel that one pretty good? Okay. So father-daughter right here. Okay. It's always good to have father-daughter combos. So let's go ahead and lie face down. So we're going to, so he fell off as he was throwing some drywall away at a work site, fell off into a dumpster on his back, creates a lot of issues in here. He also has a spondylolisthesis, grade 1 at L4 here. That's why he's going to have a little tenderness right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the sacrum. He has a little bit of hunching there, we'll adjust that. And then we're going to decompress the spine. So let's get started. And it's locked a little bit here. So lie on this side facing me. So
del lado, dale, mira donde hacia él. Ya te la sabes, Dad. Come on.
right there.
Hazte más estirado.
And I'll move them around here. Right there. Good. Straighten that leg. Right there. Good. So we're going to bring it more in a flex position here so we can bring this. Good. Excellent. Opening up to wedge that bone back. Okay, so let's go ahead and go face down. Boca abajo. Good. Little bit here. Excellent. Nice. Perfect. And we're going to turn your head this way. A little more all over this way. Oh boy. Relax. Relax. Good. That's it. Turn right. Nice. Good. And turn this way. Relax the shoulder, let that go. That's it. Perfect. And lie on your back.
Boca arriba, Dad. His favorite one.
Your favorite one, right?
Tu favorito, Dad.
So you're a little mess. Okay. Good. Is that okay? Good. Feel that one pretty good? Excellent. Let's go face down. Boca abajo. Much better tone to here. Beautiful. And took that hunch right out of there. Nice. Okay. Power's on there. Okay.
Listo, Dad.
Good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing
Do
great.
you walk much on the ankle?
I haven't had.
Okay. All right. Just checking. Tender right there?
Yep.
Okay. Right there. Right. Good. Okay, lie on your left side. feel it restricted. Pull them all the way down. There. Nice. Still sticking a little bit, so it'll still come right down here. Real easy. Excellent. Beautiful. Okay, now it's going to sit up to the left. Right?
Okay.
Chin up, and we're going to go into vibration right after this. Okay there?
Yeah.
Now it's lying back. Nice. Feel that motion there? Perfect. Okay, power's on there. Let's get it moving around. Good job.